back to Mark Said What. Here's your host.
I want to talk about something that has genuinely changed my life, the new G3X CPAP machine. I've always been a loud snorer. I mean loud. As a kid on family trips, and especially on airplanes, I was that guy waking everyone up. I laughed it off for years, but over the last couple of years, I started feeling constantly exhausted. I was falling asleep during the day, losing focus, and just didn't feel like myself. That's when I decided to do a sleep study, and the results were eye-opening. I stopped breathing about 60 times an hour. No wonder I was tired. I was told I needed a CPAP as soon as possible, and honestly, I was hesitant. I didn't want one of those bulky full-face masks. Thankfully, the nurse walked me through different options, and I chose a nasal-only mask with the G3X. Game changer. I wake up rested, clear-headed, and with more energy than I've had in years. I wish I had done this sooner. And the best part? The snoring is gone.